Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this, and I thought I'd show you the power of the polygon tool. I've got it set on a four-sided. I'm going to hit P. We're gonna take it. Let's zoom in here, and then we're going to convert it to a three-sided polygon, and then that way it's in the center. And if you watch some of my videos, Corel thinks the center of the this triangle is there, but it's actually here. Let's take the shape tool and let's select some nodes and let's right click curve. And now look at this, we can put a curve to our polygon and make almost any shape you want. Now let's play a little difference here and let's go Control D, click on the rotation, put it in the center. And let's rotate it just 60 degrees and you get a total different looking flower. Now we could do a lot more. You could put lines in here, but I think I'm not going to. I think I'm just going to show you what it could do here. Let's get the Smart Fill tool. And let's go with that orange and orange. Now we've got that one selected. Let's go to the Interactive Fill tool and let's put a little black into that surface. That looks pretty cool. Now, just to kind of show you, I'm going to just nudge these lines out of the way. So we don't need them because we're rotating in the center of the page. I moved it. Control D to duplicate it. Double click on the rotation and put it right there and rotate it that 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And you could do a lot or nothing if you want, if you like that look. We could take this flower, part of the flower, if I'm going to call it a flower, and go to the Interactive Fill tool and swipe up and then go right here to the center and put it like right there. That looks pretty cool. Let's put a little black there. And then let's make the black not quite so black. That's pretty cool looking. Let's take a black box. That's a pretty cool effect. And you could do a lot with this. I mean, it's, you know, we transfer something like from that to this with just a few curves. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.